Welcome to class, students. Today we'll be looking at a very important topic titled Fat and Fiber. Dietary fat, also known as lipid or fatty acid, represents one of the three primary micronutrients alongside carbohydrates and proteins. This compound consists of triglyceride structure formed by three fatty acid molecules bonded together. While our bodies can produce most required fat internally, certain types must be obtained through food consumption, earning them the designation that essential fat. Primary roles of fat in the body: concentrated energy supply, cellular foundation, nutrient transport, biochemical production, physical protection. Concentrated energy supply, cellular foundation, nutrient support, biochemical production, physical protection. Concentrated energy supply. Fats deliver the highest caloric density among macronutrients, offering more than double the energy per gram compared to carbohydrates or proteins. Cellular foundation. These compounds form crucial components of cell membranes, maintaining structural integrity and enabling proper cellular function throughout the body. Nutrient transport. Fat facilitate the absorption and utilization of fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K, which cannot be processed without adequate fat intake. Biochemical production. The body uses fat as building blocks for hormone synthesis and other vital biological compounds. Physical protection. Fat tissue provides insulation against temperature changes and caution vital organs from physical impact. Categories of dietary fat: we have the saturated fat, the monosaturated fat, the polyunsaturated fat, and trans fat. The saturated fat, the monounsaturated fat, the polyunsaturated fat, and the trans fat. Saturated fat, typically solid at room temperature. This fat primarily come from animal sources, including meat, dairy products, and certain tropical oils. So these saturated fats, they are solid at room temperature, and they come from or can be found or can be sourced from animal such as meat, dairy products, and certain tropical oils. We have the monounsaturated fat, generally liquid at room temperature. Saturated fat are solid at room temperature, while monounsaturated fats are liquid at room temperature. These beneficial fats are abundant in olive oil, avocados, and various nuts. So we have examples where we can where monounsaturated fat can be derived or can be sourced from from olive oil, avocados, and various nuts, and they are liquid at room temperature. We also have the polyunsaturated fat, also liquid at room temperature, same as the monounsaturated fat. This category include the omega-3 fatty acid found in fish and flaxseed, and omega-6 fatty acid present in nuts, seed, vegetable oil like corn oil. So they are also liquid at room temperature and can be found in fish and flaxseed and nuts, seed, vegetable oils like corn oil. We have the trans fat, artificially created through industrial processing. These fats are widely recognized as harmful and should be minimized in the diet. Essential fatty acids. Since the human body cannot synthesize certain fats, We must obtain them through dietary sources. These essential fats include the omega-3 fatty acid and omega-6 fatty acid. So omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish, flaxseed and walnuts, while omega-6 fatty acids are present in nuts, seeds and various vegetable oils. The health benefits of adequate fat consumption. Maintaining appropriate fat intake supports multiple aspects of health. One, it enables proper absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, promotes healthy skin and cellular function. For consumption of this fatty acid helps in healthy skin, glowing skin and cellular function. It also supports cardiovascular health through omega-3 fatty acid. So omega-3 fatty acid, consumption of omega-3 fatty acid through fatty fish, flaxseed and walnuts will result in healthier cardiovascular health. Also helps reduce harmful LDL cholesterol level when healthy fats replace saturated fat. It also enhances meal satisfaction and flavour and provides sustained energy and promotes satiety. So we have it helps absorption of fat, promotes healthy skin, support cardiovascular health, meal satisfaction and flavour. It enhances it and also provides sustained energy and promotes satiety. Dietary recommendation. A balanced approach to fat consumption involves emphasizing unsaturated fat from plant source while moderating intake of saturated fat and avoiding trans fats whenever possible. I'll take that again. A balanced approach to fat consumption involves emphasizing unsaturated fat from plant sources while moderating intake of saturated fat and avoiding trans fat whenever possible. Extremely low fat diets are generally not recommended as adequate fat intake is necessary for optimal health and nutrient absorption. Fiber. Dietary fiber represents the indigestible portion of plant food that cannot be broken down by human digestive enzymes. These unique characteristics make fiber exclusively available through plant-based food sources, where it serves numerous important functions for human health. Types of fiber. We have the soluble fiber and the insoluble fiber. This soluble fiber, this type readily dissolves in water, creating a gel-like consistency as it absorbs liquid and expands when consumed. Soluble fiber forms a thick, sticky substance that moves slowly through the digestive system. Which sources include the oats and oat bran, legumes such as beans, lentils and peas. We have the barley, we have the root vegetables like carrots, squash and eggplant, psyllium ox, ground flaxseed. These are examples of soluble fiber. While insoluble fiber, unlike its dissoluble counterpart, this fiber type remains largely unchanged as it passes through digestive tract and it does not dissolve in water. Insoluble fiber is commonly found in fruit and vegetable peels and skins, whole grain, bran layers, nuts and seed, leafy green vegetables. Health benefits of adequate fiber intake. We have digestive health support, nutrient absorption regulation, cholesterol management, enhanced satiety and blood sugar control. Digestive health support, that is one of the benefits of adequate fiber intake. Nutrient absorption regulation, cholesterol management, enhanced satiety and blood sugar control. Digestive health support. Fiber promotes regular bowel movement and maintains optimal digestive tract function by adding bulk to stool and facilitating its passage. Nutrient absorption regulation. As fiber travels through the intestine, it binds with dietary fat and glucose, helping to moderate the absorption into the bloodstream. Cholesterol management. Regular fiber consumption can help reduce the liver's cholesterol production, contributing to better cardiovascular health. Enhanced satiety. Since fiber cannot be digested, it provides volume to meals without adding calories, promoting feeling of fullness and satisfaction that lasts longer after eating. Blood sugar control. The binding properties of fiber help slow glucose absorption, contributing to more stable blood sugar level. Daily fiber recommendation. Health experts recommend consuming 20 to 50 grams of total fiber daily for optimal health benefit. This range accommodates individual variation in body size and activity level and overall dietary needs. Strategies for increasing fiber intake. Gradual introduction. If your current fiber intake falls below recommended levels, increase your consumption slowly over several weeks to allow your digestive system to adapt and minimize po ten tial discomfort. Adequate hydration. As you boost intake fiber intake, correspondingly increase your water consumption. This combination helps prevent digestive issues such as gas, bloating and constipation. Meal distribution. Rather than consuming large amounts of fiber in single meal, distribute your intake throughout the day by including fiber rich food at each meal and snack. Variety is key. Incorporate both soluble and insoluble fiber sources to maximize health benefits and maintain dietary intake. Thank you for listening.